What's up, ladies and gentlemen? As you may know or not know, I'm currently in Kaohsiung. I'm playing basketball here in Taiwan. And well, today's an off day. I filmed a little bit of the vlog of last week, my first week here. But yeah, today's an off day, so I wanted to go visit something. I'm gonna visit Pier 2, it's called. I don't know, it's supposed to be a lot of statues, it's supposed to be nice. I'm gonna show you guys that. And so yeah, I'll bring you along, see how it is, and show you a little bit of how life is in Taiwan. Now I'm gonna eat some dragon fruit. I never tried this, so pretty excited about this. But yeah, let's go. So honestly, I don't know how to eat this, but I'm just gonna cut it in the middle, and then yeah, just eat it with a spoon, I guess. Pretty nice, man. Not gonna lie. Let me try this shit. Guys, it tastes a little bit like kiwi. I don't know. It's nice. I like it. 10 out of 10. Let's go. So I'm not sure, but I think I can go up there in that building and I might get a view from the whole city. I think I'm gonna try to see if I can get up there, and if not, well, bad luck. But I would like to get up just to see, because look at this view, man. I know I've already showed it, but imagine this from up there. So I'm gonna try and get up there and see if it's possible. Well, they're making me pay for it, so I'll do just that. Super nice, baby. So I think I've seen it all. I'm actually pretty scared of heights, so I won't stay here for too long. But that's pretty nice, man. I see they have like a London Eye in Taiwan, in Kaohsiung, over there. Let me see if we can zoom in a little bit. I don't know if you see it, but right there it's like I don't know how you say it in English. Like you know the London Eye. I don't know. And so yeah. Base is pretty nice. I'm gonna go back now. Oh, let's zoom out again. I'm gonna go back. Um, yeah, rest for the rest of the day. I'm gonna go to the sauna, have an ice bath, and then that's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna try to edit this vlog and post this because this weekend we played the second preseason game against for the first time against a team in our league, the Dreamers. So we saw a video of them this morning. So yeah, let's see how that goes. So yeah, let's head back and see if we can find something else to see. And let's go. Just got myself this black tea with Yakult. Super hot out here, man, so you have to keep hydrated. Look at this. Let's get back to the hotel. I'm sweating. I don't know how Asian people do it, man. They don't sweat. They don't sweat. But yeah, that was the end of the vlog. This one at least, because I'm doing a lot more vlogs from now on. I'm trying to do more game days, off days. I'm going to try and see as much as possible because I really, really like this country for what I've seen so far. Look, we were there just now. See that over there? So it was over there, behind this big ass building. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the sauna now. I won't film that. I'm sorry. I know you guys wanted to see that, but yeah, next vlog is gonna be a game day, travel day against the Dreamers, and after that we have a day off. So I would like to visit the temple. I'm not sure yet if I will do that. Depends on the weather. But I hope you liked this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and comment. And hope to see you next time. Let's go.